Good morning students. Welcome to the online classes of Trinity Memorial Senior Secondary School. Today we are going to complete the fourth unit of our English reader book for class 7. The section 4 is a poem. The name is The Flower School. It is written by one of the greatest writers of all time from India. The name is Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Let's read the poem and go through it. We'll complete this after reading portion. We'll go for the exercise and complete the chapter. Okay, complete this unit. When storm clouds rumble in the sky and June showers come down, the moist east wind comes marching over the heath to blow its bagpipes among the bamboos. Now, it's talking about when the storm clouds rumble in the sky, that is, the clouds are in the sky, and in the June when it starts raining, the moist wind comes marching over the heath. Over the heath here is a big ground. Okay, the wind comes on the ground and blows it bagpipes among the bamboos, means tells us that it's going to rain fast. Then clouds of flowers come out of a sudden from nobody knows where and dance upon the grass in wild glee. Basically, a child is talking to his mother about what is happening out there. Okay, and the child says, as soon as the rain starts, we see that there are flowers. They come out sudden. We don't know from where they come out, and they start dancing on the wild glee. That is, they are very joyful. They start dancing. Mother, I really think the flowers go to school underground. Now the boys imagining that the flowers are having a school underground. They do their lessons with doors shut, and if they want to come out to play before it is time, their master makes them stand in a corner, just like you all do in your school. The humans that study in the school, they also the flowers also have a school under the ground, and they take the classes. During their classes, if they want to come out to play, master makes them stand in the corner. Master gives them the punishment. Okay. When it rains, when the rain comes, they have their holidays. Just like you got your summer holidays, your weekly off on Sundays, your winter breaks, flowers get their holidays. According to the poet, the flowers get the holidays when it rains. Branches clash together in the forest and the leaves rustle in the wild wind. The thunder clouds clap their giant hands and the flower children rush out in dresses of pink and yellow and white. Now here it is telling us that when it's raining, there is also wind. Okay, and during the wind, branches clash together in the forest. The branches of tree clash together in the forest. Okay, and the leaves rustle in the wind, the wild wind. And thunder clouds clap their giant heads. That is thunderous sound. Thunderstorm you hear while it is raining. Okay, and the flower children rush out in dresses, and you get to see the different colored flowers. Okay, whether it is a pink flower, yellow flower, white flower. Do you know whether their home is in the sky where the stars are? Now the child says that, do you know that their home is also in the sky where the stars are living? Haven't you seen how eager they are to get there? Don't you know why they are in such a hurry? Now he says, as we must have seen, the flowers are always pointing towards the sky. He says that, can't you see that they are eager to move upwards, and why they are such in hurry? Of course I can guess to whom they raise their arms. They have their mother as I have my own. They say, yes. He says that, yes, I can easily assume that they got their mother in the sky, just like my mother is in the sky. Okay, just like I am fond of my mother, the flowers are also fond of their mother. Okay, so here it tells us that the child's mother is diseased. Okay, and after some time she has demised. So he has written the poem for his mother to explain the love of flowers for the sky, just like he loves his mother. Okay, so it is a beautiful poem that is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, he got the Nobel Prize for a novel named Gitanjali. Okay, let's move on to the question answers, guys. Who blows its bagpipes among the bamboos, and what does it want to announce? The moist wind blows the bagpipes to announce the rainfall. Okay. Who dance upon the grass in wild glee? Flowers dance upon the grass in wild glee. With whom is the poet sharing his thoughts? The poet is sharing his thoughts with his mother. How does the poet describe the flower school? The poet describes the flower school as a place under the soil where they learn, and if they want to come out to play, the master would make them stand in the corner. The flowers only get holidays when it rains. What happens in the forest when it rains? The flowers come out when it rains. Who claps its giant hands? The branches of the trees clap its giant hands. Describe the flower children. The flower children are the little flowers they have that had just grown on the plants during the rainy season. Where is the actual home of flowers according to the poet? According to the poet, the actual home of flowers is in the sky. Haven't you seen up to I have my home? This is the stanza actually. Where do the eager flowers wish to go? The eager flowers wish to go up above in the sky. Why are the flowers in such a hurry? Because they want to go to their mother as soon as possible. In the poem, there is a deep attachment of a child towards his or her mother. Which lines in the poem depicts this? Of course, I can guess whom there is their arms as they have their mother, as I have my own. These lines depict about the deep attachment of the poet with his or her mother. You have flower from the poem. Describe your life. According to the poem's flower, my life is just like any other human. I learn things at school, love to be with my mother, wait for rains to arrive so that I can get holidays from the school. And the last one is imagine and draw the star school. There is a box provided in the book itself, the space. You need to draw the star school there yourself. And I have completed the reading portion of the poem, gave you the explanation. We have completed the question answers, the exercise part. We will meet you in the next video. Before leaving, like the video, subscribe the channel, share our video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.